Remove the shield of arbor. Turn to manual gear. Turn on and confirm the arbor rotation. Put the position sleeve in the rotor arbor. Pay attention to the keyway. Clean the datum of plane. Choose right size taper sleeve based on the centering diameter. Slip rotor taper sleeve onto the arbor. Slip the spacer bush and nut and lock up. Choose right groove according to the diameter of rotor. Move the tool post to the middle of the rotor. Release the locking handle and rotate scale ring. Make sure of no collision. Rotate the feed wheel to make tool post turn left. Operate the machine before ensure that rotate the scale ring till tool bits just touch rotor surface. Move the tool post to the left and rotate knobs to move bits inward and locking handles. Turn to auto gear and the machine will repair the rotor. Turn off the power after the operation complete.